there, my name is Skye and this is Jordan. We are here at Subiefest 2019 in Los Angeles. This is going to be our 2005 board and stroked fully built rally race car, WRX. She is sponsored by Yellow Speed USA. We have the Pro Gravel rally suspension set up on her, as well as the Wilwoods, you guys. Awesome 6-pot brakes in the front. We rallied her all over the place and it's super exciting to be here. Big shout out to all the other sponsors: Mishimoto, RPG Carbon Fiberglass, New Provisions Racing, Visitors OC, Brom Racing. You guys have really made this happen and I'm super excited and grateful for all of your support. You can reach us at Instagram, which is our main one, which is going to be Blanco Racing WRX_05. We're a part of the NorCal Rallycross series and he's going to be the main driver. He's the one who does it all. And again, my name is Skye and this is Jordan. So thanks, guys.